Hi, I'm Nate Felsing, and today is May 29, 2026. In this video, I will describe the different types of membrane transports. The cell membrane is semi or selectively permeable, which means that it allows some substances to enter the cell and exit the cell and blocks others. A part of this process that assists substances through the membrane are membrane transports. Membrane transports can be passive or active. Passive transports do not require adenosine triphosphate or ATP, whereas active transport mechanisms do. Filtration is an active transport that uses hydrostatic pressure to push substances through the membrane. Simple diffusion is a passive transport. It moves particles down a concentration gradient, which means that particles from a higher concentration level move to a lower concentration level to even out the levels on both sides. Osmosis follows the same principles as simple diffusion, whereas water is the substance moving from a higher concentration to a lower concentration. Carrier-mediated transport is an active transport that uses transmembrane proteins to move substances through the membrane. There are two types of carrier-mediated transports: facilitated diffusion and active transport. Facilitated diffusion is a passive mechanism which moves substance from a higher concentration to a lower concentration area through the transmembrane proteins. Active transport uses ATP to move substances across the membrane, sometimes moving from a lower concentration area to a higher concentration area. Vascular transport is an active transport that is used to transfer large molecules across the membrane, specifically through endocytosis and exocytosis. Endocytosis moves substances into the cell, and exocytosis moves them out of the cell. And that is the conclusion of our video. Thank you.